most beautiful thing we experience is the mysterious. It is the source of all the true art and science. So these are the words of Albert Einstein. Why are activities with music, movement, drama and art are so successful? Through activities with the art, we learn to express the mysterious, our rapidly growing understanding, thought and feelings. The exciting brain. News is that participating in art, music, movement and storytelling activities, it does not develop the language, mathematics, science and social skills, but these activities, they also strengthen the synapses between brain cells. Research shows that these synapses, it grows stronger through active participation in the art. Student, the title of the poem, Portrait of a Landscape. A nation that lies to the south, surrounded by water from everywhere, the size is so vast that all the creatures, they stay happily there. The mountains are touching the sky. Below it, the people living in a plain that is very fertile. Peninsula is in the south, with the Ghat east and west, bordered by coastal plain with two islands that lies in the bay. Students, this is a very short poem I try to make from the chapter Physical Features of India to make it clear how you can see the forms of art is integrated with learning.
Hello Nikki, why didn't you wear the mask?
Why I should wear the mask?
Are you crazy? You don't know this time wearing the mask is the only alternate will protect us from COVID virus, as well as you are the people who are making your and other life in danger. Please don't come close to me. Maintain a social distance, at least 6 feet from me. You are my friend. I want your safety. Please wear mask.
Student, this is the short video where I try to convince my friend to wear a mask. So students, you can make a short video film that is related to your topic. You can do photography. You can enact a skit, drama or play that is relevant to your topic. Students from music and dance performances also. Making models of clay. Students, in PDF, all the topics are mentioned there and you have to follow certain guidelines to make your art integrated learning activities. So as you can see, some of the topic I am disclosing to you, other you will get from the PDF. As you have choice to work on any one activity, okay? So topic first here is the description of the costume or the dress that was worn by the 3 estates members. And the costume you can see. So what you have to do, you have to design the costume by paper quilling. So the second one is the 3 staples crops, in which you can use the seed of the crop in making jewelry or any other uses of these seeds you can make. Third topic is to explain the physical features of India through activity. Either it's of drawing or sketching. You can do your activity work. As precaution in the pandemic, you can enact an act here or a skit. And in the topic, here you can see Uttarakhand or the Devbhoomi, the topic 5th. What you can do, students, you have an enormous option here. Either you can show the art and culture, the folk song, the folk ballad, pilgrimage. You can also even make a video of cooking of any traditional dishes of Uttarakhand. So Other activities you can see here that is given in the as video, filmmaking, photography, sketching, clay modeling, dance performance, lyric and compose a poem. Then comes the natural vegetation and wildlife. It gives you a broad scope on this topic as it is also very vast. So you can talk about the flora and the fauna and the wildlife sanctuaries, and here you can see conservation of the wildlife also, and the form of the activity is already mentioned here. So students, now we talk about the project work, and the topic here is disaster management. Students, general instructions are given in PDF that you have to follow it. So we will discuss the topic here, that how you have to prepare your project work, disaster management. So first you will explain what is the meaning and definition of disaster. Then you will talk about the types of disaster, in which you will describe in brief about the natural or man-made disaster. So the third topic, students, you will cover is about the disaster management. So you will define the disaster management according to the Act of 2005 as it was implemented. So in types of disaster management, you will take different type of disasters and the prevention and mitigation to disaster. So here comes the phases of disaster, where you will talk about the 4 phases. You will write about preparedness, that the activity prior to disaster, response, activity during a disaster as public warning system, emergency operations, search and rescue, recovery. So activities following a disaster, temporary housing claim, you can see temporary housing claim, processing and grants, long-term medical care and counseling. And in mitigations, activity that will reduce the effect of disaster. So in the cause of disasters, you can talk about what are the causes and their impact on human life. So how can we prevent disaster? The initiative that has been taken by the central and the state government and NGO are the nodal agencies for the disaster management. So you will mention how these institutions they run and perform their functions. So we cannot stop disaster, but we can minimize them and arm ourselves with knowledge so that too many lives wouldn't have to be lost. The government and the citizens must also be prepared with when a disaster strikes. Okay, the government needs to put efforts, resource and manpower into the disaster management institution. So we are taught on how to deal with such grave situations. The government also need to be prepared themselves and how to provide the rescue service and reaching the affecting area before the calamity strikes. So students, here we discuss about art, integrated learning activities and project work.